How to enable install unknown apps or install any third-party APK file on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25, S25 Plus, and any other Samsung device running the One UI 7. By default, turn off the all settings on your device. So make sure enable feature you want to use. So first of all, you need to go to settings on your device. Scroll down up to security and privacy. Here you can find the security and privacy setting. Tap on it. Again, scroll down. Here you can find the more security settings. Tap on it. Now here you can see the option install unknown application or install unknown apps on your Samsung device. So tap on install unknown apps. Now you can see the by default supported list. Here you can see the list of different applications. So whenever you install any APK file or the third party file on your Samsung device, you need to allow app permission from the available list. So if you install any Google Chrome related permission, you need to allow these to install the any APK file related to Google Chrome or any downloaded third-party application on your device. So whenever you install APK file, you need to allow the permission that your phone allow. So make sure toggle on the option you want to allow the third-party application on your Samsung device. So it's quite easy to enable install unknown application on your device. If you don't want to use, just toggle of it. So before add any third-party apps, make sure app is secure on your device. Otherwise, it will hack your phone or remove all your phone data also. That's it. If you like it, share it.